Uy, andyan pala kayo. Blessed morning everyone. Another day, another verse of the day. So wait a minute guys. Breakfast mode lang po tayo. Ayan, Lumi for my breakfast. So meron po pala tayong today's verse ngayon.
Do not drink water only, but take a little wine to help your digestion, since you are sick so often. 1 Timothy chapter 5 verse 23.
So, ayan, that's all for today. So, sana po yung ating verse for today, makapagbibigay po siya ng enlightenment sa atin sa buong araw na ito. And ayan po, kung nakaabot po kayo hanggang dulo ng ating video, huwag pong kalimutan mag-follow and subscribe sa ating mga social media platform, mag-like and mag-comment down below kayo kung taga saan kayo para naman malaman namin kung saan naabot itong video na to. That's all for today. Ingat po tayong lahat and huwag pong kalimutan magdasal. See you again sa ating mga susunod na video. God bless us all. Bye!